Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the SUMPRODUCT function to add values from multiple columns where the SUMIFS function didn't work. In this sample sheet we have product name in column A, reasons in column B, and sales value for January to April month in column C to F. We want to add the sales for a specific product and reason from January to April month. SUMIFS function works only when the sum range is a single column. So to calculate the total sales for just the January month, type equals to SUMIFS opening parenthesis, select cell C8 to C24, comma, for first criteria, select product range from A8 to A24, comma, the criteria is the product in cell B1, comma, the second criteria range is reason, so select cell B8 to B24, comma, and the criteria is reason available in cell B2. So select cell B2, closing parenthesis, and press enter, and it will show the correct result because sum range is in the same column. But if we extend the sum range from C24 to F24 and press enter, it will throw hash value error. That is because SUMIFS can't sum across multiple columns. To solve this, we will use SUMPRODUCT function. Type equals to SUMPRODUCT opening parenthesis. For products, select the range from A8 to A24, press F4, equals to select the range B1 for products, press F4, closing parenthesis for products, asterisk sign, opening parenthesis. Now for reasons, select cell B8 to B24, press F4, equals to select cell B2 for reason, press F4, closing parenthesis, asterisk sign again, opening parenthesis for sales, select cell C8 to F24, press F4, closing parenthesis again for SUMPRODUCT function. Now press enter, and the result is the total sales of product D in West region from January to April month. Now change the product or region, and the result is the total sales of selected product and region. So in this way, the SUMPRODUCT function will help you to add the values from multiple columns. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more Excel tricks, check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching.